For me, the core pattern behind Industry 4.0 actually is not digitalization, but it's collaboration. And today's technology has enabled us a lot to connect different things, different plants, fridges with milk can, cars with roads, and so on. But here also comes one of the core challenges. I think within your industry, you are somehow good to exchange data. And since many decades, actually, we have data interfaces, we have standards on an industry level. But some of the new opportunities that really are in the core of Industry 4.0 come from exchanging data across industries. And this is where one of the big challenges start, as we are just on the way in generating standards that allow this kind of exchange. One of the standards, or probably it's more a family of standards, we explore in the masterclass is a RAMI framework. It's the European equivalent to the Industrial Internet Consortia in the US, and there's a similar movement in China. And this is one of the big industry standard wars we are actually observing in the moment. And the idea of the RAMI framework is to have an entire framework to really cross different kind of activities across the entire value chain on different layers of data, but especially across different industries. And we are just on the way in doing it. And one of the big opportunities, especially if you're a larger company, actually in the moment is to become engaged in these standard setting activities and perhaps also to influence them a little bit into ways that are meaningful for you. So I would say this is one of the hurdles not overcome yet. It's one of but it's not a roadblock, but it's really an avenue many people are going on, and so you should get an understanding how you can join this as well. So if you like to discuss these issues in more detail, consider joining our next masterclass on the Smart Factory of the Future.